Mastering Everyday English. A piece of cheese, unveiled. Hello and welcome, avid English learners. Today, we're on a journey to explore not just words, but the very slices of culture and communication that make English so fascinating. Get ready to delve into the world of idiomatic expressions, with our star of the show, a piece of cheese. Whether it's in a casual chat or part of a grand storytelling, this phrase adds flavor to conversations. So, let's cut straight into it. When you hear a piece of cheese, the image that likely pops into your mind is quite straightforward. A single, often small, portion of cheese. This could be a slice, a cube, or any small amount typically served or consumed. It's as simple as it sounds, yet cheese, with its vast varieties and uses, can represent comfort, luxury, or the simple joys of dining. Moving beyond the literal, a piece of cheese can stretch into more nuanced territories. In English, particularly in creative or humorous contexts, referring to something as a piece of cheese might imply that it's cheesy in the sense of being overly sentimental, cliché, or lacking sophistication. It's a playful jab at movies, books, or even situations that are predictably melodramatic or corny. In some contexts, this phrase might also tap into the realm of old-fashioned or unsophisticated, akin to calling something old cheese. It's a light-hearted way to acknowledge that something might not be in line with modern tastes or preferences. Understanding when and how to use a piece of cheese can enrich your conversational skills. If you're commenting on a romantic movie that's sweet but highly predictable, you might say, "It was enjoyable. But honestly, it was a bit of a piece of cheese." It's a way to offer an opinion that's both critical and endearing. Remember, the tone and context are key. This phrase is best used in informal settings and with an air of humor or lightheartedness. It's not meant for serious critique but rather as a friendly nudge or a wink at the predictable or the quaint. And there you have it, a phrase that might seem simple at first glance but carries with it layers of meaning and cultural nuance. A piece of cheese is more than just a dairy product. It's a slice of the rich and playful nature of the English language. We hope this exploration adds a new flavor to your conversations and perhaps makes your language learning journey a bit more delightful. Keep exploring, and until next time, stay cheesy in the best possible way.